Maayong aga, Bacolod, Philippines, and good morning, Australia. It's April Liwat from the D's and O's. So it's already 6:36 and it's 28th of October. And ngayon kami aalis papuntang north. Medyo ready na rin. We are going to take this with us. Nahanda na rin yung mga gears, lahat ng mga gamit, gadgets. Meron pang yung GoPro tsaka power bank nasa kwarto pa. Medyo naayos ko na rin yung bahay. Konti. So, dadalhin natin yung mga nandun. Si husband nasa baba lang. Naayos yung sasakyan. And chine-check lahat. And then, alis na tayo. Ang plano namin, 6 o'clock dapat makaalis na ng bahay. But then, well, alam naman natin. Yan, samahan nyo kami and we will go 4 hours away from where we live. And we'll show you around papunta dun. So, see ya! Ayan, all packed and ready to go na tayo. Lahat ng mga gamit nasa likod na ng kotse. And husband is about to embark. Charot. So, see you guys!
How can I get these?
Can you just get pancake?
Sorry?
Pancake? Hot cake?
Okay.
Yep. And a also 2 hash browns.
2 hash browns.
Yep. And a double sausage and egg muffin.
And a double sausage and egg.
Yep.
Anything else?
That's it.
And magpapa-fuel lang ulit si husband kasi hindi ako nagpa-full tank kahapon. Ayan. And then, check niya rin yung mga tires and pag kailangan ng additional na hangin and check everything kasi medyo malayo itong babiyahiin natin. So ayan, at alam niyo ba, nakakatuwa si Lord kasi mainit. May araw. Salamat po Lord. Nako. Dito pa rin tayo sa area namin. Di pa tayo nakakalayo. Bili lang kami ng makas. Ayan. Makas ang tawag sa McDonald's dito. Sa atin McDo, di ba? So dito makas. Ayan. Ano yung in-order ko sa makas? Pancake. Kahit nagta-travel, pancake pa rin. Pancake is like at saka may dalawang hash browns and double sausage or double egg McMuffin yung in-order niya. So yan. Magbabayad siya. Mahirap kumain sa sasakyan at nasanay na. So yan yung ginagawa ko. Buhos na ng butter and then hot syrup. Kaya tayo. Ayan, mag-check lang ng hangin. Self-service lahat po dito. Ikaw na mag-fuel, ikaw na rin ang yun yung gagawa nito. So, yan. Tinuruan na rin niya ako niyan dati dun sa maliit. So, medyo may idea ako kung paano gawin yan kung ako lang mag-isa. But luckily, hindi ko pa naman nagagawa on my own. At hindi ko pa kailangan gawin ako lang mag-isa.
Tapos,
Walang gali. Kape.
para rin ang bangga sa dagat.
Kita mo na. Ayan, nakarating na rin tayo dito sa Agnes Water. Ito yung aming room. The owner upgraded us from that room to here. Dako siya, guys. Amazing. I'll show you. Kasi ang sabi niya, nagkaroon ng water problem dun sa kabila. So, yan. May toilet and bath. Self-contained siya. Ayan. Luma yung kanyang itsura, but doesn't matter. I don't mind at all. And this is the room. Very nice. And his husband. Wala lang man. Nice. Day 2, guys. destination. Okay.
Hi!
Discovery. Ay, what's this? Bustard Lookout. So that's the bustard.
Oh, may Ardigli Love.
My?
Augmented reality.
Let's go. Dirita siguro cause there's yeah. Hi. Got it. Yahoo.
Very nice, man. Yeah, I have it here. Hey! Ayan, so umorder lang tayo ng ating lunch. Oh no, it's dinner because it's anong oras na ba? 5, past 5 na yata. Dito kami umorder. Ako pala. Dito umorder ng aming dinner. So, kumuha ko ng beef, burger, calamari, chips. Ayan. Total niya ay $39. Okay. Para sa ako na-change yung battery. Start siya. 400 meters. Nice. Nice love.
swamp. Yeah. Swertihan tayo, wala nagdanaw.
In 500 meters, make a U-turn.
Gusto ka maligo? Gusto ka maligo? Talandukan ng Japon. Pero namin siya paliguan daw.
Coffee.